Early morning, 7 a.m. here at Subic Bay on the beach, and it's already got a lot of activity, a lot of people up Sunday morning. Here he goes, so we're hanging down on the beach here in Subic Bay. It's gorgeous out. I don't know, it must be 90 degrees. Maybe. Just cruising along and having a good time. This seems to be the busiest time of the week for the locals. It's packed. It's Sunday morning. You can see over my shoulder, taking a nice stroll with my buddy Vern. And it's a gorgeous day. Beach is loaded with people. All right, heading down the beach for a morning walk. It's 9 o'clock on a Sunday here in Subic Bay. And boy, it's busy everywhere. Right, Vern? This is very busy. Look at this. 100% local flair here. Kids, the parents, grandparents, everybody. People seeking the shade underneath the pier. Hey, hey, hello. Hello. Again, it's only 9 o'clock in the morning, maybe 9:15. And everybody having a good time. Beach is packed. We just came underneath that pier. People seeking the shade. Pretty busy, eh, Vern? Man, oh man. All right.
Nandun sa may dulo, ang water line. Huwag nyo na lalapitan yung water line.
People bringing their pop-up tents, putting them out on the beach. Seek a little shade. There's the Arizona floating bar and the barge, manual barge going out. Yeah, manual taxi heading out there. All right. See, we're here on the beach, and the locals have their tents. They have their little tables in the back. And they are having a good time here on Sunday on the beach. Definite local environment here. There we are. These guys are cooking up some chicken there on the grill. Hey guys, give me some thumbs up. All right. So again, Sunday here is a first come, first serve rental for the day. You pay in the front. I don't know what, it must be a nominal charge. And you rent out these little huts with coverage. Here's one that's still available. They're all packed in there, cooking up stuff. Here's the guys on guard, the lifeguard, right? Yes. All right, so you rent these out here for $1,000, and you have it all day, right? And you got to pick whichever one you want. If you're here early, you can pick whichever one. All right, thank you very much. Here's another one of these rental resort places where you pay in the front to rent out. Which they have here, thatched huts. Bring your own beverage and your own food, and you get the hut for the day. It's like 3, 4, 5, and nice. And you have access to the beach, and you got coverage, so you're covered the whole time. Man, you can't beat that, can you, Vern? Again, everybody cooking up on the beach. We got chicken here, right? All right, everybody having a good time. Excellent, guys. Wave. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, look at the fish here. Hey, everybody wave. Having a good fun time on the beach, Subic Bay. Hey! Photo. Get people in. Whoever wants to be, let's get you in here. You guys ready? Yeah.